What's up, y'all? Y'all know who in the kitchen again? Hell, like I'm always in the kitchen, huh? Well, when I get hungry, I cook. And I'll show y'all what I'm cooking. I'm doing me a shepherd's pie tonight, this evening, whatever time it is, or whatever. But I want to show y'all. People always never see me prep. Sometimes I have stuff prep already, but look, I'm gonna show y'all how blind people, well, me as a blind person, let me show you how I peel a potato. Let me put my camera down right here. I hope y'all can see my hand when I do like this. Hope y'all can see something. I got majority of my potatoes peeled already. This is what you call. So look, let me make sure I'm working. So look, I'm gonna see. I probably the camera right here. This is what I do. Totally by feel. So this is a potato, right? Okay. I start right here. I start right there. And look, I go all around this potato. All the way around. I'm going to try not to make this video too long. Okay, now see, I know that whole strip is gone. Then I take it and I flip it here. That way I know I got two sides. Look, I start in the middle right here. So I start in the middle with my knife right here. And I go like that. Now I know I got this side and this side left. So I go like this. And watch what I do. Y'all see what I do? I take my thumb right here and I feel. So I know there's another little piece right there. Wow, that side clean. Now I do this side. I go down right here. Now I'm going to take my thumb and feel. Go to my thumb and feel. Get that right there. Alright. See, I'm feeling the surface. That side clean. Now let me switch it over to this side over here. Look, I go down the middle. I always use a paring knife, like go down the middle. So I know that part clean. Now I do left side. Like that. I feel. I know there's another little piece right here. I don't care if some people say, oh, baby, potatoes are cheap in the store. I don't care how much skin I'm peeling off. I know that it's going to be okay. I make sure I feel. And that's it. Make sure I feel the whole potato. And look. I think that's maybe a little piece right there. That's it. My potato done. All right. I'm going to cut these up and put them on the ball. All right. Let me go back to my handsome face. Hey. Be right back. All right, y'all. Got my potatoes boiling. Y'all see them? And let's go to my hot skillet over here. Got my skillet hot. And got me some ground beef. You can also make a shepherd's pie with lamb, y'all. But y'all know lamb too damn high. There we go. Let's put this ground meat in here. This is about 2 pounds. Let's say about 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm making a shepherd's pie probably just for myself. But I'll probably eat on it for 2 days because you know it'd be good. All right. Let me brown this meat down, and we gotta do some things to this meat. We gotta put some things in there. Some things. Some onions, some garlic, some celery, Worcestershire sauce. I'm glad I can pronounce that word now. Some ketchup. All right. And let me tell you something. When you're doing ground beef like this, as you see, you do not need any oil. All right. This is the 80-20. See y'all in a few. All right, y'all. I'm going to go and strain this grease off of this ground beef. And I'll be right back. I'll be back. All right, let's see if the potatoes ready. My fork should go through them. Oh, yeah. There you go. They're ready. Let me turn this off. All right. All right. So turn those off. Back to the skillet. I'm about to add some little chopped up onion. Some celery. And that's it for now. That's all my onion in there. Okay, do this in stages. One onion, little celery, I'll put my meat back in there, then add my garlic. Alright, y'all, this is so not easy cooking and recording. And add the meat back to it. I be trying to show y'all every detail how I do it. Okay. So I add the meat back to this. And let me add my garlic. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Stir this all up right quick for a few minutes. I'll be right back. About to season our meat. Always season your meat towards the end. We're going to do black pepper. Black pepper. We're going to do some thyme. And we're going to do some seasoning salt. Simple as that. Alright. Alright. Let's stir this in. Right, to this we're about to add 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. If you got to if you have tomato paste. Well, where my ketchup at? Hold on. Right here. Like 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Be right back. Right, to this, y'all, I'm about to add 2 tablespoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of flour. And I'm going to stir that in. The flour in there, now let's add a cup of beef broth, y'all. Flavor. You gotta build flavor for some things. Some of y'all would have took a shortcut. Everybody don't make this the same way. Alright. We're gonna let this cook down. I'm gonna make a little gravy, about 5-10 minutes. And I'm gonna go and add the peas and carrots in mine. So that way it'll be all together. I won't have to layer meat, then peas and carrots, then the mashed potatoes. Okay. We're gonna do the mashed potatoes, y'all. As soon as I show y'all the finishing touches of this. Wow. So that's it, y'all. It's done. Y'all just about to add the peas and carrots to it. That way, when I put it at the bottom of my casserole dish, the peas and carrots are already be in there. All right, let me stir this together, and we are about to do the mashed potatoes. All right, there you go, the finale. Now, let's get to these hot boys over. What is it? Hot boys right here. Ooh. Let's go over here to the column. Let's see, make sure I'm right here. So I'm about to pour them in there, y'all. Alright, let's make these mashed potatoes. I'm going to put the camera down like that. They still hot, so I'm about to take my potato smasher, Lord, potato smasher, and I'm about to smash them. I'm smashing them with this, but I'm going to whip them. I'm going to whip them with a fork. Show you how to make some good potatoes. You gotta have them a little wet, cause this has to bake. All right, let me smash these potatoes. I'll be right back. All right, I got them smashed. All right, let's add about 3 tablespoons of butter. Put that in there. Let's add about 3 tablespoons of cream cheese. All that in there. these some good potatoes. I see I'm whipping with a fork. I'm whipping with a fork. Make sure when you adding this stuff to your making good make sure when you're making good potatoes that your milk and your butter, your cream cheese or whatever, make sure it's all room temperature. Don't put no cold butter and cold milk into no potatoes. Let me add me some carnation milk. Let me see. That's some carnation milk that I had. Let me add some pink Himalayan salt. And let me add me some black pepper. All right, y'all. When you mix all this together, let me whip it up. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Look at that. See how I whip them up? I added a little more milk, a little more butter. Okay, now to this, I'm going to add 1 egg yolk. 1 egg yolk. What the egg yolk do, Zeke? It's going to stabilize, well, actually it's going to give your potatoes a good golden color. And it's going to kind of like stabilize your potatoes when they stabilize your potatoes when you bake them. Until that, I want to add just a little cheddar cheese to this. Add me a little mild cheddar cheese, not that much, because I'm also going to sprinkle some on the top. So, little cheddar cheese. Little cheddar cheese. All right. Let me whip that in there, y'all. And let's build this shepherd's pie. All right, y'all. Look, I didn't already. Hope I'm in the camera. Enough. All right, there. So I didn't fill this casserole dish here. Actually, I got enough meat probably to make 2. So I filled my casserole dish up, you know. So that way I got the meat and vegetables already. What you call? Now I got my where's my scoop? Okay, I'm gonna scoop me some potatoes on top. That's scoop number 1. Scoop number 2. Let's see here. Let me see if that's enough. Spread it out with a fork. You want to spread this out with your fork. I think I need one more scoop of potatoes. This dish here, baby. You got your meat, vegetables, and potatoes. All right, smooth it up with your fork. I got my oven set at 375. I'm gonna let this bake about 30-35 minutes. I'll check it. You see why you want your potatoes a little wet and smooth so they can flow? Okay, that's it for that. Let me go wash my hands right quick. All right, now on top of this, I'm gonna sprinkle where's my cheese? What did I do with my cheese? No cheese. my cheese. My blind ass can't find what I did with the cheese. Oh, there it goes, Lord. It was right in front of me the whole time. Oh, that let y'all know I'm really blind, huh? All right, I'm gonna sprinkle a little cheese on top. So, sprinkle a little cheese on top. Cause y'all remember I got a little cheese on my potatoes already. Sprinkle a little cheese on top. Like that. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little. Let me go like this. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little parsley just to make it look cute. Take it out. Okay. Just a little parsley on top. All right, y'all. Go like that. Go like that. All right. Let me show y'all. Show y'all what it looked like. All right. There we go. I'm about to put it in the oven and let it bake for 30-35 minutes. And we're going to taste it. All right. Let me make another one right quick. The oven for 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Look at them. I think they're ready to come out. Y'all see them? I had to do 2 of them. And I got a little sample I just took out too. All right, let me take these out. Look at my babies. They are out. Look at that. They've been there for 30 minutes. There they go. I'm gonna have to give my mama one of these, or my sister. I can't eat both of these things. And this one, little sample here. This one we gonna taste. Where is that? Where is that? Right here. Just the sample one. This is the one we gonna taste after a while. And it cool down a little bit. So this is our taste tester. That's our taste tester. And there they go, baby. I need me a restaurant. Would y'all eat my cooking? If I cook? Oh, God. All right, let's taste it, y'all. Take my glasses off. Yeah, the other 2 still hot. So I wouldn't cut them anyway. They're too hot. But my sample, or my personal one, see that? My personal pan, personal casserole. It's still, hold up, the bottom's still warm. Put a towel in my hand. No alcohol drinking tonight, y'all. Good, go ahead. Good clean water. And also, y'all, my videos, if y'all see a glare like right down top of my head, that's my light. My kitchen light is right above me, and sometimes it makes a glare right above my head when I'm doing this video. So, all right, let's see here. Ooh, woo. Like these soup coolers, these soup coolers. Oh yeah, baby. Once again. Once again, I have done it. Pat myself on the back. This is delicious. Alright, y'all. I'm not going to tarry. I'm not going to hold this video long. This is good. I'm going to make y'all shepherd's pie. I haven't made one of these in a long time. Alright. Like I said, y'all seen me make it. I'm gonna make y'all some. Good night, y'all.